R2. Most like him, I want to start. Huh? So this is where we're at now. What I did here, I compact my joints. Later on, we're gonna come back with a wire brush and we're gonna do our rake joints. That way we can have our joints nice and clean. As we go, here we're gonna go with a black stone with a black mortar. So the way we want to do that, we're going to tie it in. As you see, I have brick tie, like a lot of brick ties going all the way up to tie this wall that's going to go in here. This wall, we're going to push it all the way in here later on. If you get involved so far, guys, go ahead and give your boy Ryan a thumbs up. And subscribe if you haven't already. Subscribe. We have a long way to go. Alright, so yesterday, this is how much we did. There was a little bit of rain. We have to stop a bit early yesterday. This here I installed my sills. Here I didn't fill here. So just a 1/4 inch space I have here. But I installed my sill right along. We install sill. We have an 1.5 inch hangover running all the way down. See there, everything nice and straight in line. We'll lay stone right along here. Right around here, work our way right across. This is where we at now. So we still have to fill in a few gaps here and there. And afterwards, we're gonna lay block right up underneath here. All right, let's keep going. We're gonna draw a line right along here, that way we can, so it's around 1.5 bring our stone right to the line, so that way we can match up with the bottom. Because ideally you want to have your stone on top fall in line with the bottom stone that's below. Let me finish it first. Finish on another stuff first. Yeah, because I'm never sure if the gas is mixed already. I know big, just a solid big when I have no thing upon it. Later on we're gonna fill this hole here. I didn't fill this right now because I want to have my line running right through, go all the way up. Later on we're gonna fill that in. Finish with this one over there. The stucco is finished as well. Man, if you buy clothes so often though. Advice na regular man. Build up one place in Jamaica when you can go stay when you go down. guys, I'm just using my finger here to maintain the straightness of the wall. The measurement that we're going with is 4.5 inches. As you go, you also can put your tape and check, make sure that you have 4.5 inches. And we're just going to go ahead and put some brick ties now. You already know, if you watch a few of my videos, we bend them right in the middle on a 90 degree. Here, all the way over here, we're going to leave a brick ties because we have a wall that's going to tie in here. So we want to make sure that we have it joined with the existing wall and joined with this wall that's going to be there. Where am I moving? I want it to go, you know? Yeah, I know. Oh. Now that you catch the corner one, usually it's 16 inches and center. Sometimes it's easier to just mark it like this rather than bang, 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 bang the wall. So we finish this section, guys, and we'll start the video 1 hour and 7 minutes to be exact. Finish this section. Okay guys, so this is where we're at now. Work our way around, way up top, finish around here, all of the sills. We only have this much here left to do. Afterwards, we're gonna move over to the other side.
Make it clap, clap.